a worst feeling for a small creator. You uploaded a video, then the first hour it got only 4 views, 5 views, 10 views, then silence. The impression stops, the views flatline. The algorithm value, the answer is no. In this video, I am going to show you YouTube is not recommending your video and the three diagnostic that you are going to apply so that it will solve the problem instantly. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's dive in. First thing you are going to do is the impression check. Now let's go over there so that we can check whether YouTube stop recommending your video or people stop watching your video. So for you to check the impression, this is what you're going to do. You click on your YouTube Studio app, then it will bring you to this interface. When it brings you here, you click on YouTube Analytics. Okay. Once you click on your analytics, it will bring you here. You understand? Now you click on content. Click on content, then go over to video. Okay. Now we are on video. We have to choose the particular one that we want to check. Okay, now let's make use of this first one here. Click on the particular video that you want to check, then click on it like this, then go over to reach, wait for it to load. So this is the impression here. Okay, you can see the impression is 1,200,000. okay, so now YouTube is still recommending it. You can from the line here, YouTube is still recommending it. Okay, so if this line is flat like this, just flat line like this, you know that YouTube is no longer recommending it. Now this is what you're going to do. You're going to check the thumbnail of the video. Okay, so if your impression is very high but your views are very slow, you know that your views are not moving at all, you know that you have to change your thumbnail. That is, people are not clicking that thumbnail. Okay, so now this is how to check it. Okay, and now this video is more of suggestion. You can see it here. YouTube is suggesting this video to a wider audience, and any video that YouTube are suggesting, the video have a high chance of going viral. Do you understand? So you need to keep on recreating content around that particular topic because it is your chance of going viral. Do you understand? Then browse feature, people are still searching for it, and once they search for this, it will pop up, and any video that people are getting through browse features, you, the owner of the video, will keep on getting views from it. Even in years to come, you will still be getting views and also make money from it. Do you understand then? So if the impression is rising but your views is very low, you need to change your thumbnail. Thumbnail is the problem that you have. Okay, the step number 2 is the click-through rate reality. Okay, as a small creator, our life is the click-through rate. Do you understand? So if you upload a video and realize that your click-through rate is below 4, this is what you are going to do. Don't delete the video. Okay, now just go straight and change the thumbnail and the title of that particular video. Do you understand? Don't delete the video. Just do this simple thing that I told you now. The video will just pick up immediately. Okay, so if you want to check the impression click-through rate, you just come over to this your dashboard. Let's make use of this our first long video. Okay, so you click on this arrow here. Once you click on it, you scroll it up, so you can see the views here. The impression click-through rate is here. The impression click-through rate is 3.9%. Then average view duration is 22 minutes. The average view duration is 2 minutes 22 seconds. Have you seen it here? So now for you to check, now the impression click-through rate here is 3.9%, meaning that people are clicking on it as a small channel. Do you understand? Another way again you can still check your impression is by clicking on this analytics. Okay, then you come over to content. You click on video, then scroll it like this. This is impression click-through rate. That is how many people that have seen this particular video. Okay, now I see the impression click-through rate. This is here 3%, meaning that people are clicking on it. Do you understand? So that is how to check the impression click-through rate. So if your impression click-through rate is below, it's not up to this, you know that you will keep on checking your impression click-through rate. You need to check your title and your thumbnail. Do you understand?
Now the step 3 is the 30 seconds drop. Okay, that is the retention. This is the main reason your impression stop. Okay, if people drop at 30 seconds of your video, automatically your impression will drop. Okay, now this is what you are going to do. If you realize that people drop at the 30 seconds of your video, go over to your YouTube analytics and edit the video. Now let's go over to that.
For you to for you to trim your videos on the YouTube desktop version, you have to go over to your Chrome. You then type on it studio.youtube.com. Do you understand? So once you type it, it will load and bring you to this place. Okay, then when you reach this place, you click on the content. When you click on it, you allow it to load. Okay, so when it loads, it will bring you to this place. Do you understand? Then you will select the video that you want to edit. Do you understand? So now we are going to choose the particular video that we are going to edit. So let me choose this video. When it brings you to this interface, you click on this icon here, form of video. You click on it here. Okay, when you click on it, you allow it to load. It brings you to this interface. This is what you're going to do. Okay, then you click on this. You will see, first of all, you will see trim. Okay, let me zoom it. You will see trim and cut, then blur, audio, end screen, infocast. Do you understand? Then for you to trim that part that you don't like, that is causing counter motion in your video, this is what you're going to do. Then just click on this plus icon here. Okay, when you click on this plus icon, then you use this to move it to the point that you want to move it. Then when you reach there, you click on it like this. Okay, this is used for moving it. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. Do you understand? I'm not going to trim anything because I don't want to trim the video. Do you understand? So once you are done with everything you want to do, you come here, you see back and save here. You click on save and submit your work. Do you understand? So thanks so much for
Here
watching.
is the revival plan. If you upload a video but it stop getting views after 48 hours, here is the secret. Change the thumbnail to a higher contrast, then tweak the title to a more curious to be more curious. Okay, so now give the algorithm the reason to retest your videos to a wider audience, and don't forget to apply this method to all your old videos. Okay, if you try this method, I want to know down at the comment section below. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and please, if you watch this video up to this point, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so. Bye bye.